So first of all, there are 4 types of chemicals that were prepared. Then we mix the chemical with the distilled water to form a brine solution. Okay, so next we prepared polymer with different clay concentration. So this is the crucial part in this experiment where we will mix the polymer and the brine solution together in the multi-mixer. So we do mix until it forms a homogeneous solution. So here we go, we already got our homogeneous solution. So next we will put in the oven to see what are the results after we are drying this polymer solution in the oven about 2 to 3 days. So as you can see in my hand, the particles swell after being dry in the oven. So our last process in this experiment will be core flooding. So we prepared the core sample first, which we will measure the length and width of the core sample, and then we also will weigh the core sample and measure the initial permeability of the core sample using a pump equipment. Okay, next step is when we need to put the core samples under the oven around temperature 108 degrees Celsius to imitate the reservoir condition. So the last step of this core flood experiment is we will measure the final permeability by reading the pressure difference in this equipment. Last but not least, we are using the scanning electron microscopy, which are one of the equipment. So this equipment we are using is to validate and to visualize the polymer solution inside the core sample. So to sum up for this project, all the data were finalized and compiled in one report.